Welcome. If you're tired of WhatsApp automatically showing those little link previews every time you send or receive a link, you're not alone. Sometimes we just want to share a clean, simple link without the preview cluttering the chat. In this quick video, you'll learn exactly how to disable link previews on WhatsApp step by step in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so you have access to the newest settings. Once the app opens, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This will bring up a small menu. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several options for things like your account, chats, and notifications. What we need is under the Privacy section, so go ahead and tap on that. Now, once you're inside the Privacy menu, scroll down all the way until you see the Advanced option. Tap on it, and this will open a few extra privacy tools that are often missed by most people. Here's where the magic happens. You'll notice a toggle labeled Disable Link Previews. It's probably turned off by default, which means WhatsApp automatically generates previews whenever you send or receive a link. To stop that from happening, simply toggle it on. That's it. You've just turned off link previews in WhatsApp. From now on, when you send a link, it'll appear as plain text, no preview, no thumbnail, and no extra content. This feature is especially handy if you want to keep your chats cleaner, protect your privacy, or just prefer a more minimal look when sending links. Quick, simple, and done in less than a minute. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and share it with someone who might want to tidy up their WhatsApp chats too. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides and updates just like this one. Thanks for watching.